The Touroll J1 is designed to be your reliable companion for both daily commutes and weekend adventures, blending efficiency, comfort, and safety into a stylish urban e-bike. With its powerful motor, long-range battery, and thoughtful features, it delivers a riding experience that feels effortless and enjoyable on any journey. At the heart of the J1 is a 250W brushless motor delivering 45 Nm of torque and a regulated top speed of 25 km/h, ensuring smooth and consistent performance that is perfect for urban commuting and recreational rides. Its low-maintenance design ensures dependable operation ride after ride, making it a practical choice for everyday use. Powering your journey is a 36V 15.6Ah 561.6Wh lithium battery, offering up to 100 km of range in pedal assist mode. The battery is fully removable, allowing convenient charging at home or the office while ensuring extended endurance for longer rides without worry. Equipped with 27.5x 2.1-inch pneumatic tires, the J1 provides excellent grip and stability across varied terrain. Paired with a Shimano 7-speed gear system, riders can adapt effortlessly to city streets, inclines, or uneven paths, enjoying both versatility and control in every situation. For comfort, the bike features 80mm mechanical suspension with a lockout function, giving you the flexibility to switch between efficient road performance and shock absorption for rougher trails. This reduces strain on joints and improves ride stability, making it well-suited for longer commutes. The intelligent LCD display keeps all your essential data, speed, assist level, distance, and battery status, clearly visible, while also offering a USB charging port for powering your devices on the go. With 5 pedal assist levels and a 6 km/h walk mode, the J1 adapts to your preferred pace and riding conditions. Safety and practicality are equally prioritized. The STVZO certified headlight ensures compliant, glare-free illumination for night rides, while the mechanical disc brakes with e-brake cutoff deliver reliable stopping power in all conditions. A sturdy luggage rack adds everyday utility, perfect for carrying shopping, work essentials, or gear for longer trips. Built with a robust frame supporting up to 120 kilograms, the Touroll J1 27.5-inch electric bike combines endurance, versatility, and rider-focused design. Whether navigating busy city streets or exploring beyond, it offers a smooth, secure, and dependable ride every time.